In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-up content in Google Slides. Think of this as creating a quick, clickable element inside your slide that opens supporting content on demand without cluttering your main layout. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Slides. On the home page, you'll see your recent presentations. Click that section to locate the deck you want to edit, then open the specific presentation you'll be working on. Once your slide is visible, select the text that you want to turn into your pop-up trigger. This could be a phrase like "learn more," "view example," or any label that hints at additional content. Keeping the text short and descriptive helps your audience understand what they're about to open. With the text highlighted, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then select Link. This opens a small box where you'll paste the content link in a moment. You can leave that box open while you grab the link. Open a new browser tab. Navigate to where your content lives, such as OneDrive or Google Drive. This could be a document, a PDF, a video, or any file that adds depth to your slide's message. Browse to find the exact file you want to share so your viewers get the precise resource you intend. Copy the shareable link for that file. As a best practice, confirm that the link is viewable by your audience. If access is restricted, viewers won't be able to open it during your presentation. Setting the permission to allow viewing for anyone with the link is a common choice for public or widely shared decks. Return to your Google Slides tab and paste the link into the link field, then apply it to your selected text. You'll see your text turn into a hyperlink indicating that it's now interactive. To experience it the way your audience will, switch to present mode and click the linked text. The file will open in a new tab or window, effectively acting like a pop-up resource that your audience can explore without leaving your main slide behind. A few final tips for a smooth experience. Label links clearly so viewers know what they're opening, keep supplementary files concise to reduce loading time, and test your links in the same browser you'll use for presenting. That's all it takes to add pop-up content to your Google Slides and keep your presentations clean, focused, and more engaging.